Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of coding part 5 or 6. Part 5, I think. Okay, so part 5. So the last video we did was Flappy Bird, and that was part 4 of the basics of Flappy Bird, which basically it isn't the basics. I mean, it's morally the moral of the game of Flappy Bird. So basically, you already got the whole code down of Flappy Bird. Okay, next game that we're gonna do is called Bounce. So it's basically like ping pong, basically. Um, this one is you can scroll down and then first you're gonna log in and then you're gonna see the game with games with events. So then you're gonna click on Bounce. It's gonna say create your own bounce game. You could change all the visuals and the rules. When you're done, click share to let friends try your game on their phones. And then we're gonna click on OK. First thing that you're gonna do with your project is we're gonna rename it. We're gonna rename it Project 4. I mean 5. Okay. So after you're gonna change your untitled name, you're gonna see your screen as this, the little screen with the little like bounce paddle, something like that on the bottom. Okay, so then let's go run it. So this is your score up here. This is how much your score is gonna be. And then first we're gonna click on left arrow. So then left, wait, we're gonna do when run first. Okay, so when run, you could like give them like a point, score a point, or like launch new ball. Okay, so we're gonna first launch a new ball, and then when left arrow, move left arrow. When right arrow, move move to the right. When ball hits the paddle, bounce ball. And then we can make like a little hit sound. And then when ball hits wall, launch a new ball. We could also change the paddle speed as normal. We could also change the ball speed too. So I'm going to change the ball speed to like fast. And then to set the paddle to fast too. You could also change the background. So you're going to put the background on top of your code. And then you can change it to like random, retro, or like hardcore. I'm just going to change it to hardcore. Okay, when ball in goal, you could score points. And then when ball misses the paddle, then score opponent's point. So you're gonna give the other team the point, and then launch a new ball. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna click on run. Oh my gosh. I want a point. Okay. So after you put the ball in the goal, I forgot to put launch new ball. Or you could also just like bounce ball when hit the wall. Oh, okay. And then I got a score. So the first score is mine, and then the other score is the opponent's, your opponent's score. Okay. You could also play around with the code a bit. It doesn't have to be like super, super perfect. It just has to be very, very, very cool. Okay. So then we're gonna bounce it back. Maybe when the ball misses the paddle, you could score your point, maybe. Score a point for you. Don't give the points to your opponents if you really want to do that. Or you could also change the paddle speed and the ball speed to like really fast. Yep. Okay. This is very, very fast. What if you put the paddle speed to very, very slow, though? That's the thing. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Uh, okay. And then let's go change it to very slow, the paddle speed. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is very, very, very slow. Gosh. Okay, still got a point though. Yeah, this is very slow. Maybe what if we put the ball speed to very slow and your paddle speed to very fast? Okay. This is very, very, very slow. Maybe when you click the the right arrow, it'll turn left. And then if you click on the left arrow, it'll turn right. Oh no. Okay. Wait, okay. Oh my gosh. This is very, very slow. What if we put it to normal? Both normal. The normal is very slow. So I got to admit. Okay. Okay. This is very, very challenging. So it's basically like soccer slash tennis slash ping pong. Oh, yeah. But you're basically using a paddle to score in a soccer goal. I keep on losing. Oh my gosh. I'm getting mixed up with these arrows so bad. Okay. Would it go in? No, it did not. That did not give me the point. No. Oh my gosh. This is very confusing. You could also make your game really confusing if you really want it to be that confusing. Or, yeah. And then maybe when ball hits the wall, you could score your opponent's points and then launch a new ball. Let's click on run again. We, oh, okay. 2-2. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, oh. Maybe when you hit, let's see if we could like add all launch new balls. Like maybe that. Like what if we like launch a new ball like each time? Oh, Oh my gosh. Let's see if we could try that again. So basically, I'm winning. Basically. Yeah, this is gonna go crazy. Do not do this. Let's see. Let's see if we win the paddle. Okay. Okay, that is very, very scary, but very cool and funny. Let's go delete that all. That is very scary. Okay, bounce the ball. And then when ball hits, bounce the ball. And go when the ball's yes. I'll miss the pad. Okay, I'm gonna not score a point. Or how about let's go put all score a point. Like, maybe that, like everyone gets a point. Let's see. Score points. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. I just realized we both get a point if we score together. Wow. Very surprising. So basically, we just got a point together. Let's go change the court. Let's change it to retro. Wow, it's very dark. If you know what I mean. Like, it's like an actual ping pong game. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So basically, all that is in this game was about a bounce game. So it's basically soccer. It's a very fun game. If you play it a lot, it's a very fun game. You could mess around with the codes and still have fun. Maybe you could give your point every time you hit a ball, you get a point to yourself. Or maybe for your own opponent's team. Maybe when it hits the wall, you score a point, or the ball goes missing, and you won't launch a new ball, and there's gonna be nothing. Maybe you could change up the background. You never know. You could change any style that you want. You could also change the ball. It's like, yeah, you could change your ball to like retro. It doesn't have to be like an actual ball. It could be a block. Wow. Basically, Well, we could also change the speed or like maybe your paddle. Set hardcore paddle. You could change it to retro. See, this is like an actual ping pong game. So every time you hit the wall, you score points. Or when you move it, you score a lot of points. Yeah, that is very interesting, as you might say for yourself. So yeah, this is basically the code. You could also change around with this or this, the right arrow, the left arrow. The ball hits paddle, the ball hits wall, when ball in goal, or when ball misses the paddle. So yeah, basically, that's really all that is in this game. I really hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And also click on our notifications because sometimes we post and my guys not really see it. So this is gonna be on live today, so make sure to go check it out. I really hope you do. It's a very good game. It, anyways. Also here, you could also share your screen. Gosh, let me delete that. Clear all drawings. Okay. So then you could also share your project to like one of your friends or your family members or anyone else that you want to share to. You could also share it to anyone. So you could also share it to Twitter or share it to Facebook. Share it to your dad on Facebook. Let your dad be proud, or your parents be proud, or anybody who wants you to be proud and be posted. You could also send it to your phone or your friend's phone if you really want to play that game so bad. Or copy link to your project and like send it to the whole world. Probably like one of those famous people would see it. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe a celebrity could see it. Never know. Then you must finish running your app to create a thumbnail before you could publish your app. Also, before you would share your project, you will have to be in your project for like 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes and you could share your project. It could be blank, basically blank, and then you could still share it. Your parents would be proud that it would be plain. Or maybe it's just a duck flying like Flappy Bird. Maybe that. Or maybe just Game Lab or Web Lab. Web Lab, very for advanced people who like to type in their code instead of dragging blocks. You could also, no, you could also just type it. You could also just type in like some of the apps, just like App Lab. You could also just go to like the little text and just like type it in instead of like, how do I say this? Like very, instead of like dragging your blocks and like keep on dragging it, you could also just type it if you're really like a typing person. You get onto like typing.com and just like type it down. You never know. You can maybe do that. Yeah, really, this game is for people who really enjoy coding a lot or want to start like a coding channel or like just want to start coding. Really, it's really up to ages. Like 4 years old, you could still make like a cat fly. You you still made your parents proud, or like maybe like a whole app lab about you. Or like somebody else, like a celebrity. You never know. Really? So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the notifications under this channel. Make sure to go watch our live. Make sure you do. We really want those views. Okay. Bye.